Now let's sing our primary chord song. Will you do the actions? Look at our flashcards while we sing. What is this one?
This is the red chord, blue is next I said, yellow is the chord that leads us back to red. Playing is fun, we like to run and roam, but it's always nice when we get to go back home.
All right, let's practice playing our red chord and then our yellow chord. So let's do red chord first. We're gonna sing and play 3 times. Are you ready? C position, bubble hand. What fingers are we using for the red chord? 1, 3, and 5. Okay, 3 times. Ready? Nice and slow. Here we go. Red, red, red. Now, before you play the yellow, let's move down our thumb and switch to our 2 finger and play 1, 2, and 5. Ready? 3 times. Here we go. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Good, let's go back to red. Ready? Move your thumb up and switch to your 3rd finger and play 3 reds. Here we go. Red, red, red. Now, can you close your eyes and move your thumb down and switch to 2 and play the yellow chord with your eyes closed? Ready, go. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Close your eyes, keep them closed. Can you move your thumb up with your eyes closed and move to your 3 finger and play the red chord 3 times? Ready, go. Red, red, red. Ooh, how did you do? Was it tricky to do it with your eyes closed? Very good.